Lovelies, views is not money, or views are not money. What views give you is attention, and attention does not pay bills. So, are you there with thousands and millions of views, but you don't have money at all? Or you are someone out there, you're among the people who have a narrative of, no, your videos don't have views, or maybe so and so is bigger because it has views. Get it from me that views don't pay bills. What pays bills is money. I'm basing on this comment. I got this comment on someone's video. Is like expressing himself or herself that that person had no views. He's, in other words, yagwamo. He's declining, or he has, since you have no views, you don't fit to be on social media. No, it's very wrong. A video can get over 1 million views without any money, and we have seen it. It is on TikTok, it is on YouTube, it is on Instagram, everywhere. Every social media platform that is monetized, mark this. You can get millions of views when you don't have any money. Why? Because those views are not facing or are not qualifying to be monetized. They are not monetized views. So let's know from this video that views that you're running for is not what we want. What we want is something that behind the views, or something that behind how to earn money on any social media platform. This time I'm going to be basing on Facebook and YouTube. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to this mind-blowing video. This is Christine, your lady that says I cannot hold a smartphone and beg for bread. And in today's video, I'm going to be letting you know that views is not money. Because most of you still have a narrative of views and subscribers. That's not how it is. Give me your dashboard and I give you my dashboard. To my special engagers, I love you so much. You're awesome. You make what I am, and I can't take you for granted. And you new subscribers, please subscribe. After subscribing, hit on the notification bell, because every day we have something new. We have a tip. And this is a disclaimer. I want you to put it in bold terms, even in your comment section. This video is for education purposes. I bring for you 10%, 90% you look for it. So I'm bringing for you the tips that are working for me and working for other people. They can help you. For example, you didn't know that views is not money. Views is bogus. No, views is bogus. But there are things that we consider. Even those people you admire so much, they know, because they have millions of views. But if you ask them, it might not be correlating with the amount of money they earn. So today, I'm going to be showing you the way the monetized platforms pay views as based on qualified standards, and also targeted and connected strategies. So let's dive in and see why I'm telling you that views is not money. Views is not dollars. And why are we on social media? Why are we doing this every day, posting every day? We need money. If you know you're posting without money, you're doing a big error. If you're posting for anything, you're doing a big error. Here is why views is not equivalent to money. I'm going to give you different 5 to 10 points or backup points why views is not money. One, not all views are monetized. If you go in Facebook space, most people always get millions of views and they don't get money. Why? You'll find that the earning power is zero or less, and it is involved with a number of factors. So when we go to influencers, especially if you become an influencer without a backup, without knowledge, without knowing that you're coming in social media for money or to get money, that means you will not know. That's why they go ahead and buy views. And when you buy views, automatic it's zero. And if you ever see someone maybe telling another social media person or another creator that my views are more than your views, that means that person knows nothing about views and money. You just now I've given you a secret. You put a question mark on that person. Don't admire that person. So many views come from countries and even they come from audiences that advertisers don't pay much. For example, you might be coming from Syria and you find all your views come from that side. in a place that the advertisers are not putting in. Why do you get money? First, you need to know, how do you get money? You get money from advertisers, and advertisers put this money, instead of using individuals to advertise, they're using our platforms to advertise. So if they see the views are coming from an audience that is not paid, why should they pay? For example, if a place has war, that is point number one, it means business is not there, and the views are coming from there. There is a question mark. That means they will not pay. Also, the second is the audience that is not monetized. If the audience is not monetized, how do you expect to get money? It means to not get money. Some platforms only pay for specific formats, watch time, and even ad placement. Specific format, they will be, of course, they will have their terms and conditions. If you want to know this, the moment you know that you are not earning money for just posting, you're earning money because they put ads, and these ads have to have terms and condition, you'll know that. Now, for example, if you go on Facebook and post something that is less than 10 seconds, you will get 1,000 of views, millions, but you'll not get money. The same applies to YouTube, because the placement of ads matter a lot. The second one is virality without direction is quite useless, I can say that. A fan of trending videos can blow up, but it doesn't lead to views. If it doesn't lead to views and viewers to follow you up, then there's nothing. Because there are some people who just put there for noise purposes, and if they put there for noise purposes, it means it is not going to encourage advertisers put there. Then the third one is no offer, no income. If you don't have, for example, a product, you don't have a service, you don't have affiliate links, you don't have brand deals, it means, and your monetization is not enabled, meaning you not get money. So whoever, this is the message for any upcoming or beginner creator that is coming up. Don't run for views, because I'm seeing the so big creators, the one you admire so much, they put themselves in a camera and say, my views, how many views do you get? How many subscribers do you get? Here we are like, oh, so these people don't know about money. Then let's go to now, but a pro tip I want to give you there is that views are just numbers. They are just to feed your ego. They are not to bring for you money. Get it from me. If you want to know what gives money, is this number 4, and I love it so much. Retention and trust matters more than numbers. For example, if you have 100 people that have watched your video, which is 9 minutes, that have watched 7 minutes, and they are 100, then 1,000 people have come and opened and closed and gone. The person of 100 is going to get money more than the person of 1,000. I'll be bringing this video practical in the next episode. For example, let me tell you, 10,000 royal followers who trust you can make money more than 1 million random views who forgot you, who just come. Those are followers. And for the views, the same, because the views who come and, like the one I've told you, open and go, there is no retention, and there is no video duration, view duration. It's not there. Platform reward business, not excitement. And most of the people I've seen, we have excitements on our platforms. So the person with those excitement things is not getting money. Platforms reward, like social media, they will reward creators who keep people watching and help advertisers sell. If people are watching your video for 2 minutes and above, and advertisers of their projects are clicking there on the ads and buying, even not buying but even checking, it's a plus. So entertainment alone don't guarantee you that you're going to have money. That's why you find you have very many views, very many followers, but your income is less, and you don't know. You still have the other narrative. The real formula now is this: the real money and the views minus trust is equal to action minus money. Then when you get views with the trust and action is equal to money. That's how I can summarize it. Until views are converted into clicks,